It's crazy that this interaction takes place. Um, you just make any excuse just to come out here and bother me. I kind of think that like we don't see characters actually fulfill requests for other people anymore. I don't remember the last time something like this would actually happen in real life. Back back here, this is believable because it feels like it would actually happen. Um, it seems like an act of goodwill, which I think is kind of rare nowadays. How dare you approach the Swordmaster without permission, which I surely didn't give you. Okay. Hmm. You're here to prove. Let's be honest. You're here to prove yourself to the pirate leaders in hopes of one day being as immoral as they are. You have to nail it right on the head. Gee, you're smart. I can tell the sarcastic expression that you've been fully trained by Captain Smirk. That's cute. I can also tell by the Melee Times sports page that you haven't won a single fight. This would be nothing more than a waste of my time. You again. Come to kill you. Being honest. Uh, I don't know if these dialogue options all end on the same note. You again. Hehe. Um, I wish that was actually that you actually could sell her a jacket. Okay. So I assume if I win enough of these fights, then okay. So I do get to fight you over and over again until I win and get enough coins. So that's how this works. All right. It's getting late at night. I don't want to like keep on recording. I guess I'll upload this later in the morning. I'm just gonna upload clips from here on out. Bye.